Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can check grammar in ChatGPT. To check the grammar in ChatGPT, open your ChatGPT application on your device and log into your account first. Once you end up in this screen, go to the message box at the bottom of the screen and type or paste the text you want to check the grammar for. After typing down the statement, you will need to then enter "Please check the grammar for this" and send it to the ChatGPT. You will then be able to see that ChatGPT provides the corrected version of your text, and it will also explain the changes if you ask. So that is how you can easily ask ChatGPT to check the grammar in a statement in a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.